And we're live. So welcome to the stock market update for today. What is today? Wednesday, February 20th. Yes, I just got back. I'm back in my studio and we're doing the stock market update in... There we go. 5 minutes are left looking at the monitor here. So today's stocks were slightly higher after the Fed meeting minutes. So Fed meeting minutes, nothing much there. The Fed said we will be patient with raising interest rates. And let's take a look at the markets and see what happens, how the markets reacted to this. So let me see. I should be able to switch over. We don't need this. We only need this. All right, fantastic. So here you see the Dow Jones today. We started here this morning. And then we were grinding along because traders were waiting for the Fed meeting minutes. They were released and markets rallied to session highs, as you can see here. Let me actually use a pointer. Then sharply dropped, but hey, what was that? Right back up. So Dow Jones up 60 points for the day. Nothing really spectacular here, so 0.25%, quarter of percent up. S&P, very, very similar. As you can see, not a whole lot going on the whole day. Then rallying to session highs, boom, dropping to session lows. And how is this making sense? Finishing right here. Nasdaq, pretty much unchanged. Not a whole lot going on here for the Nasdaq. Almost similar, but you see Nasdaq throughout the day was already going lower. Then made this quick rally as the other indices went down. Let's take a look here at... a daily chart to see where we stand for the year thus far. So as you can see, the Dow is grinding higher, higher, higher. So right now we are close to 26,000, which is a magic number here for the Dow. So we're coming close. S&P, also very similar picture, and the Nasdaq, very, very similar here. So let me just go back to the screen here. So what is moving the markets here right now in the remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds? And then we also look at two stocks that really moved the markets today. So, but overall, what's moving the markets? Well, obviously the US-China trade saga, trade drama, whatever you want to call it, because we have a deadline coming up on March 1st. Now, President Trump said yesterday that the deadline might be extended, so who knows what's going on there. But this is a deadline that is coming up fairly quickly. Now, another thing was, of course, the Fed meeting today. But since the Fed pretty much said, you know what, we're staying put and we are raising interest rates really, really slowly and we'll be very patient. This is why the markets have the rather muted reaction today and didn't do a whole lot. Let's take a look at two stocks that moved today. So we have CVS. CVS reported earnings and traders were disappointed. As you can see, a sharp drop for CVS, down 8.1%. Now another stock that got hammered today was Southwest Airlines. I love their symbol, LUV, love. However, Southwest Airlines, I mean, even though I love the symbol, today investors didn't like what they heard from it. As you can see, Southwest Airlines cut the forecast due to, they say, government shutdown. And this were also steep decline here of 5.65%. Anyhow, you see, I'm not trading these mainstream stocks. You know me. What I like to trade is the stocks that are coming up on the PowerX Analyzer. Stocks that pretty much nobody else knows about. So you rarely find the stocks that I'm trading in the news, because when they are in the news, you see what happens here, right? I mean, this is when the stock can get whacked around. I don't like this. So this is why I'm staying away from mainstream stocks in the Dow Jones and also the famous S&P 500 or Nasdaq stocks like Facebook, Apple, Google, Netflix. I'm not trading those. I'm trading those that I'm finding with my software, the PowerX Analyzer, because here's what I do. I trade what I see, not what I think. So this wraps up today's market outlook for February the 20th, and today is Wednesday, February 20th. I will be back with another market update tomorrow. All right, happy trading and make lots of money. I'll talk to you soon.